side table drawer. How are you today?
I'm a little
Sniffly?
sniffly.
Me too. You know, I really think I'm gonna need your help today to figure out what Blue thinks I need to feel better. Will you help me? You will? Great. Okay, so to play Blue's Clues, we gotta find paw print, right? Because that's the first.
Clue!
Yeah. Then we put it in our notebook. Because they're Blue's Clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our notebook because they're who's clues? Blue's Clues. We gotta find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in our notebook because they're Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. 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 Because when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can do anything that we wanna do. Okay. Did I just see Blue? Or where did she go? This way.
No, that way.
Right. I was thinking it was that way. Okay. Here we go.